The game is simple, and the rules are simple too. Let's review them together. In California, recreational lobster fishermen are restricted to a minimum size of 3 1/4 inches in carapace length. We will use the same rule in our game, so make sure you only catch legal size lobsters. To do so, you will need to measure a lobster as soon as you catch it. Later in this class, we will show you how to do this. Another law in California is that the daily recreational bag limit is 7 lobsters per person. We bended this rule a bit for this game and made it 7 lobsters per catch. One more requirement for lobster hunting in California that we've adopted, with modification, for the game is the report card. We made it an option. You do not need to report your lobsters. If you do not do so, they will not be counted and will not appear in your statistics. The same is true for the fishing license. It's optional. We've made it an option. You don't need an e-diving fishing license to play the game. But if you don't have one, your lobsters may be confiscated by the game warden and will not appear in your statistics. We want you to treat the lobsters with care, so we've added one new rule. Don't kill the lobsters while catching them, because after you report them, we will release them. If you kill a lobster, your overall score will be penalized. The smaller the lobster, the bigger the penalty. While hunting for lobsters, all the normal rules of scuba diving will apply. More specifically, if you trigger a fast descent alarm, all of your lobsters will be confiscated and the round will be voided. Also, while diving for lobsters, make sure to check your air often. Don't go too deep and stay within your limits. Basically, don't get killed for lobster. It's not worth it. Press Next at the bottom of the screen.